So what have you done?
I broke the robot. What keeps a robot running safely after years of hard work?
The answer is simple: the right maintenance.
Today I'm at ABB Robotics Training Center to learn how proper maintenance keep your robot safe, reliable, and ready for more.
I've programmed a lot of ABB robots before, but I never taken one apart. I'm here with Greg Finch that's gonna take me through the maintenance training, where we're gonna learn how to disassemble an ABB 6700 apart and put it back together again. Greg, why this kind of maintenance training is so important for ABB customers?
The maintenance training gives customers the confidence to be able to work on the robot themselves in a safe manner, so they know what they're going to do isn't going to cause any harm to them or their equipment. It will also allow them to keep the robot running at its optimum performance, meaning that they are less likely to have a breakdown going forwards. So they can check their oils, make sure the batteries are good, their brakes and the motors are going to work as they should, and the robot's going to keep going for as long as possible.
And what this training covers?
So one of the key messages in the training course is safety around when to take things apart. So for example, the brakes for each joint on the robot are based in the motor. So if you were to just go up and remove the motor, then there's a chance the robot arm would collapse on you. So we'll highlight in the course how you make the arm safe. You could support it with overhead lifting gear, rest it against its own bump stops, or use a locking screw like we do on Axis 2. So one of the key areas we look at on the course is how to check your motor and look for signs of premature brake failure to avoid the instance where someone presses emergency stop and the robot doesn't stop in time, or when the robot's not moving, it drops overnight. So one of the key points when you do anything mechanical in the robot is to make sure it's calibrated again afterwards. That is to ensure that it will carry on doing the job it was doing before you've done repaired the robot. If it's picking a place up, once you've calibrated it, it will go back to the same place and pick it up again.
They won't miss any position after that. That's really important.
As well as the motors on this course, we also cover the larger jobs like the gearboxes. We've done the wrist here so that you're more confident in repairing the robot yourself.
And it's not that difficult because I did myself, so you also can do it. That was a great experience. I'd never taken a robot apart and putting back together again. Greg, thank you very much for this amazing training.
You're very welcome, Vanessa. It's been great to have you down at the ABB Training Centre.
If you ever wondered how to care for your ABB robot the right way, this is your chance. You can find this training and many more at ABB University UK.